If you have a goal but there is no plan, it's just a dream that dies before you wake up. Welcome to Coding Box Automation Lab. This is Shoreful. In this video, we're going to break down the secret path that can help you to achieve your goal. So if you have a goal, then the question is how we can achieve your goal. Here is the secret. Number one, make one specific goal or target. Don't create multiple goals at the same time. This is one of the common mistakes that we do when we see a dream, when we want to be, something like we want to be a programmer, we want to be a YouTuber, so we want to be a lot of things at the same time. This is not feasible. The feasible is things, make one specific goal. What do you want to do next as far as high priority? You want to be YouTuber, you want to be programmer, you want to be software developer, or you want to be automation developer. Find your priority and stick with that. So that's number one. Number two secret, spend at least dedicated 3 to 4 hours every day. So it means in a week, at least 15 to 20 hours every week. Okay, at least that's the minimum time. That's a dedicated time you have to spend by hook or crook. Okay, so any reason you are not able to spend that much time in this week, like probably you have personal issues, like if you're sick, try to cover up on the next week. Put more hours, more focus on next week. So that's why you have to divide your ultimate goal in a small chunk piece that comes, that can fit on every week. So you need a goal every week, short goal every week, so that you can achieve it. Okay, if you wanna automation developer or programmer, when you specific setup, okay, one language I'm going to learn. So sets some target, like by the end of this week I will cover variable, data type, whatever it is. So but make that specific sub goal. So this is like concept planning now. So you have to plan before you start your execution, your goal. End-to-end plan, like how you are going to achieve your goal. Break it down, from every week to month to quarter, and eventually year if it needs. And then follow this small piece of target week by week or month by month. Okay, so that's the number two. Number three, remove all the distraction. This is one of the big problems, like surrounding noise. So we have, we're living in a noiseful era. We have a technology that always buzzing you, right? So we have a full of functions, like our environment, our surrounding have a full of function, family function, like ceremonies, like wedding ceremonies, or like summer ceremonies or winter festivals. So a lot of things, it comes and go through, and it will always happen. So keep yourself away from all the buzz, all the noise, so that you can focus your time, your dedicated time. You don't distract. Because what will happen if you say, okay, for this week it's okay, I will cover up next week. But if it's happened multiple times, and eventually you will see that you are quite behind, and you will be, you'll at one point you'll be give up, right? So this is not the way to achieve a goal. Okay, so that's the why you need to remove all the noise from your surrounding area. Number four, to do this, you need a similar type of environment. You need a similar type of friend. You need a similar type of mentality people surrounding you. So find the right people, who is interested with the same type of goal, who has the knowledge about it, who can encourage you, who can, throw a new challenge, to achieve a next week goal. Or maybe it's, more challenging stuff, really more challenging things with the similar type of goal that will encourage you, or whom you can share your thought, your idea, who can understand, who can have a better syncing with you. So you need to find that really, relevant type of friend, and remove all other friend, not 100% remove, but just, so that, you don't have to talk to them. And next, you have to sacrifice, and also you have to acceptable, some criticism, so most of the people, they will not understand like your passion, your goal. So maybe they will, criticize you. So take it positive feedback. As a positive feedback, if you take all the criticism, it will encourage you, so that you have a more determination that, I'm going to show them, I will show them that, at the end, I'm the winner, and my all dedication comes true. So that's positive thinking. It's very important. Okay. And lastly, just believe on yourself, and always remember, hard time, easy life. There is no shortcut, there is no magic. To achieve any goal, to achieve your dream, there is no shortcut, there is no magic. It's only one sentence you can say: hard time, easy life. If you can put yourself on a hard delivery, you will receive as an achievement, as a reward. Okay, that's all. Thank you so much. Have a good one. Bye bye.